In this video, we're going to look at this particular question in question number 6. And first off, I want to say that there is a typo. This word continuous actually should be discrete. And so we want to determine whether this relation is continuous or discrete. You can tell by the graph that it is connected, simply because the years can be broken up into partial or fractional parts of a year, and the amount of U.S. album sales, and this is in millions of units, so since we can break up the millions of units, we're going to connect this graph and make it continuous. Since we're talking about millions of units, we can always have partial millions of units. Now we want to estimate when the amount of vinyl sales, so when the graph, and estimate the year when the vinyl sales reaches 4 million, and explain how you found that answer. Well, we can trace over from our 4 million mark, and then just see that looking at this point of intersection, we can see that this graph, I don't know why that is doing that, but we're now looking at the fact that this point right here where these two intersect is going to be at 2011, so we know that this answer is 2011, and we can explain how we came up with this by by tracing over along the 4 million mark and then down to the year 11. Now I want to look at this equation, and right now I want to say that there is a typo in this equation. So notice how it's 0.884. That actually, the decimal place is in the wrong spot. It should be 0.0884 and then the y squared. So this is asking you to evaluate when y equals 10. And so this would be 10 years after 1993. So in 2003, what would it be? So go ahead and type that into your calculator, substituting the 10 in for the y, and you should come out with L equals a value. So just take a second or two, a couple seconds to go ahead and type that in, come out with your